Hello and welcome to our next reading lesson. Remember that you will have to pause the video at various points throughout the lesson. Okay, so in a minute you're going to stop the video and you're going to choose two of your familiar books to read to somebody in your family or to your toys. You might want to read your new ebook again. So stop the video now and go ahead and do that. So, did you sound good as you were reading it? Did it sound as if you were talking? Was it smooth? And did you make sure that what you said matched to what you could see all the way through the word? Think about this. Did any of the books remind you of any other books that you've read? Stop the video and talk about these questions with somebody in your family. Okay, so it's time for your new book for today. It's called Toads in the Road and it's in the yellow book band on the Oxford Owl. So when you found it, have a look at the front cover and make a prediction. What do you think might happen in the story? Talk to somebody about this. Are there any clues you can find? Stop the video and do that now. Okay, so you're going to listen to the story by pressing audio in a minute. Listen out for these phrases that might be a bit tricky. You might need to ask somebody what they mean. Toad run, top job, coach load. Okay, stop the video now. So now it's your turn to read the story. Okay, if you get stuck on a word, try and use your strategies that we've worked on. So put your finger back in to look closely, get your mouth ready for the first letter, break the word apart. Maybe you can see a part that you know to help you. Were you right? Did it match? Off you go. Okay, let's think about the story a little bit. What do you think the Toad Run was for? What do you think the men on the coach were like? Were they friendly, mean, grumpy? Have a chat to somebody in your family and see if you can find some clues to answer these questions. Stop the video now. Now it's our word work part of the lesson. So you need to go to the really great reading letter tiles. You're going to try and make these words. Toad, ode, road. What do you notice when you've made these words? How would you break these words apart? Stop the video now and have a go at this. Here's Fluffy and Charlie to remind you about some of our reading strategies that we always work on. Always ask yourself, as you're reading, does the word look right for what you're saying? Does it sound right? Can you say it like that in English? Does it make sense? Well done, you finished your lesson for today.